Hello students, standard 7, chapter 2, fractions and decimals. Fractions we have completed. Now in this video we will do decimals. Okay, so what is decimal? A decimal number can be defined as number whose whole part, number part and fractional part is separated by a decimal point. Okay, so whole number part and fraction part we have to do separate by doing decimal in the given number. So example, here I have taken number and then I am separating this number by putting decimal. So we will read 546.32. we cannot read 32, we read 32. So it will be more clear when we read this or learn this table. So here one table is there, very important table. You have to keep it mind when you are doing sums and writing the place value expanded form. So here suppose here this is the table. Here number 100, tens, ones, then after ones one dot will come, then tenth, hundredth, thousand. So when we are writing tenth means 1 upon 10, hundredth 1 upon 100, thousandth 1 upon 1000. And here suppose I have taken one example 642.513. So how you will write? We will write 6 is in the position of hundreds, 6 4 tens, 2 ones, 5 tenth, 1 hundredth and 3 thousandth. Okay, and when it says that write in the expanded form, so this way you have to write 6 into 100 plus 4 into 10 plus 2 into 1 plus 5 into 1 upon 10. This is after the point. For the point you have to write like this, in plus 1 into 1 upon 100 plus 3 into 1 upon 1000. This way you have to write. Okay, then next topic is greater and smaller decimal. So here it is given greater sign, smaller sign. 3.21, this is very clear, 3 is greater than 1. 5.7, 5.2. so after point C, here 5 is the same, 7 and 2, which is the greater? 7. Now here children are making mistake in this. So here see 0.5, 0.05. So here 0 ignore, same 5 and here 0. So 5 is greater or 0 is greater? 5. So this number is greater, 0.5 is greater. Now next point is multiplication of decimal by whole number and by 10, 100, 1000. So here what you have to do, by whole number first we will take. So here what is given, 0.5 into 0.25. so ignore decimal and multiplication number. So 5 into 25 you do first, so it will come answer 125. Now count the number of total decimals. So in 0.5 how many decimal? 1. 0.5 पॉइंट के बाद कितने डिजिट है? 1. पॉइंट के बाद कितने डिजिट है? 2. सो टोटल हाउ मेनी? 1 + 2 3. तो हमें अभी डेसिमल रखना है. सो 0 कैसे? व्हाट इज़ द आंसर? 125. सो फ्रॉम राइट साइड वी हैव टू काउंट 1 2 3 टोटल आर देयर. सो 1 2 3 देन पुट डॉट and your 0. This is the final answer. Now come to multiplication by 10, 100, 1000. If it is multiplication, you have to shift points to decimal point to right side. So here two methods are there. First is easier one, 1.76 into 10. तो क्या करोगे? Once remove this decimal, we write here 100. Because 2 points are there, so 100 into 10. So here 0 cut, 0 cut. What is left? 176 upon 10. So what will come? 17.6. That you know in 5th standard. But here I am showing you easy method. See, direct answer how to write. No need to do all this. Directly you can do. If it is given 10, means 1 point तो आपको राइट साइड में डेसिमल को शिफ्ट करना है. दिस डेसिमल विल शिफ्ट टू इन बिटवीन 7 and 6. तो यहाँ पे तो 17.6 यहाँ से हट के 17.6. जैसे यहाँ पे 2 पॉइंट है, 100 है यानी 2 पॉइंट्स हुए, तो इसको शिफ्ट होगा 1 2. सो व्हाट विल कम, ये पॉइंट हट जाएगा 176. ओके, ईयर 1000. सो हाउ मेनी पॉइंट्स, 3 पॉइंट्स इन द, सो दिस विल 1 2 and 3. यह कुछ नहीं है तो पुट 0. सो 1760, 1760. ओके, नाउ डिवीज़न ऑफ डेसिमल बाय होल एंड बाय 10, 100 and 1000. यहाँ पे क्या करोगे, दिस इज़ द फ्रैक्शन मेथड ओनली. 0.4 is given. To remove the point we write 4/10 divide by 2. If nothing is given upon, you write down 1. Then 4/10 into, instead of division we write your multiplication sign, and your reciprocal 1/2. So 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. What is left? 2 into 1, 10 into 1. So what will left? 2/10. So 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10. 1/5 is the answer. Now come to, yes, division by 10, 100 and 1000. In multiplication we are shifting right side. Now in division we have to shift left side. So 31.5 divided by 10. 10 in 10, 1 point is there, so point is shifted to left side here. So what is 3.15? Here 2 points are shift, 1 2. Here nothing is given, 0.315. If it is 1000, see, shift 1 2 and 3. Here nothing is given, put 0. So 0.0315 is the answer. Remember, in multiplication shift to right, in division shift to left side. Is that clear to you? Now come to conversion. Last topic is our conversion. Now for this you have to remember one proverb, that here whenever we want to convert we have to write so that our conversion is not be incorrect. So King Harry died, mother didn't cry much. This is the proverb. Like in science, to learn the 8 planets, we are saying like my very efficient mother. That proverb is there. In the same way, this is for the max to learn this conversion. So King Harry died, mother didn't cry much. So K for kilo, H for hectare, D for deca, M for meter, D for deci, C for centi, M for milli. So when I say that convert 1 kilometer into 1000, how many meter? 1 kilometer is equal to how many meters? So kilo is here 1, and where is the meter? Here it is. So how many 0? 1 2 3, 3 0. Okay. Then if I say 1 meter is equal to how many centimeters? So where is the meter? Here it is meter. Okay, so 1 you write it down here, and centimeter how here? So how many 0? 1 2. So 100. So 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Now quickly we will see the example. Convert 5 meter into centimeter. If we want to convert bigger unit into smaller, we will do multiplication. Okay, so here meter is bigger and centimeter is smaller, so do division, multiplication. So 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter, 5 meter is equal to 100 into 5, so 500 centimeter. It is easy only. Now if you want to convert centimeter into meter, तो क्या करना है? Smaller to bigger, तो divide, do division. So 1 centimeter is equal to 1/100 meter. Therefore 5 centimeter is equal to 1/100 into 5. So 5/100 is equal to 0.05 meter. Okay, introduction is over. Now we will start exercise 2.5. In that first one is easy. See in the textbook what is given. First one is easy, you do yourself. In the introduction video I have explained you. Now second one we will start. Second one is convert express rupees into using decimal. So it is given 7 paise. So how to convert 7 paise? Paise is greater than, paise is smaller than rupee. So if this you remember, biggest you need to smaller you need do multiplication, smaller you need to bigger do division. ये important remember रखना है. Okay, तो 100 पैसे is equal to 1 rupee, 7 पैसे is equal to how much? तो 7 upon 100 is equal to 0.07 rupee. Okay, now rest of the others you do. Third one is express 5 centimeter into meter and kilometer. So 5 centimeter into meter, 5 centimeter into meter, how to convert? See, this is what centimeter is smaller and meter is bigger. So do division, I have told you. So 5 meter, 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter, 5 centimeter is equal to how much? So 5 upon 100 cross multiply. So 0.05 meter. Okay, now next is 5 centimeter into kilometer. So in kilometer how to convert? See here in this table here we have to convert 1 centimeter into kilometer. So how many 0? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So 1 lakh. So how to write here? 1 lakh centimeter is equal to 1 kilometer. Therefore 5 centimeter is equal to how much? So 5 upon 1 lakh, so 0.00005 kilometer. Now in the next video, in the next class we will start third question. Thank you.